Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rinku Art. So today in this video I'll show you how I'm drawing cartoon character faces with different shapes. So in the first one you can see this is a character face out of square, you can say, and after putting the shape I am putting the details as you can see over here. I kept this character very simple. The eyes are only two dots and the eyebrow is also single eyebrow. So those type of things you can do in your character and see. So I kept this first character very simple. And this one with the circle, the second character face is out of circle. I'm trying to put the simple shapes. As in my previous videos I have told you to practice the cloud shape. Now in this character I am applying this. As you can see, those practices are very helpful. So these clouds I'm putting in some shapes so that that character will look nice. It is somewhat circular, you can see. And I'm putting the shadow. So the third character is out of rectangle shape and I kept the eyes little different as compared to the first and second. The hairs and all, this character is little closer to the realistic, but these type of character, if I'll say Batman, Superman, it is closer to that also you need to practice. And I'm putting all the things in the place like ears and nose. So those things like eyes, if I'm changing, then I need to think about the nose, ear, mouth, everything. It should connect with that particular style. Okay. The fourth one is very normal as I used to do. The circle and two circles you can say, top and bottom. Okay. And out of that I'll draw the eyes, nose, ears and hairs at the last. Okay. So here I am drawing a lady character, a fat lady character with normal expression. While drawing your character you should put some expression so that you can see whether that character suits your requirement or not. Okay. So here also I kept my character very simple. While drawing I am not thinking much, but slowly while drawing the character, features are coming into my mind and simultaneously I continue to draw. So here I am thinking to put pets as well because it is not looking that great. So I'll put some accessories like the glasses over here. Round glasses will suit, I think. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay, nice. So the fifth one I'm drawing very small and I'm not thinking much, but I have not decided what character I have to draw. Just I'm drawing the lines to create my character. This character is looking little aggressive, angry. I'll put some things to this character like the headband. I'm thinking after drawing the face it will look good or not, just putting it like that, which is coming into my mind. So you can also practice like this. Okay. So the last one and the sixth character I'm drawing in somewhat circular and oval. This also angry face, an old man. So this expression is like this. So side I'll put some hairs. I am trying to figure out the shape of the character. So that also you need to check after giving a rough shape of your character and putting all the things like eyes, nose, mustache, ears. If you want, you can extend the body to see whether it is looking good or not. You have the liberty to change your character. So those things you can do in your character. After finalizing, I'll put the dark lines and one shade so that how my character will look, I'll get an idea. So if any changes, I can do in my another layer. So later on, I can correct it. Okay, this is just a rough. So likewise, if I want any dark shade, I can put. So these are the 6 characters I have designed, and I have shared my experience. Which character you like the most, please comment below and let me know if you want any more characters which I can draw for you. And these are very simple, you all can practice and do it. Just you need to give more time and you can do it. So that's it for now. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.